Humidity in Sector 3 is spiking.
Adjusting the flow regulators now.
The specialized beak, or pip, is used to break the shell, a grueling process that takes hours.
After days of incubation, the moment arrives. The tiny broiler chick begins the strenuous effort of
Continuous monitoring ensures strict adherence to USA poultry compliance standards for temperature and airflow.
Bring the next cart up to the dock leveler. Copy that, rolling it now. Are the sensors activated on this unit? Yes, the airflow is stable. We are ready for transport.
Uniform soft lighting is crucial. These timers ensure the chicks receive the precise light spectrum needed for healthy growth and a calm environment.
Professional broiler growth relies on precise nutrition. We shift from starter to a coarser grower feed as the birds develop strength. As you can see, the consumption trends are stable, which indicates good flock health and efficient feed conversion.
quality looks good on zone 3.
Yeah, the humidity levels are spot on. The
Right.
new fans are working great. The automated feeders are dispensing precisely according to the schedule.
And the water consumption data confirms healthy intake.
Intake seems Check the flock by the third feeder.
They seem healthy, clear breathing so far. I've got one here, looks underweight.
All right, place it in pen 3 for observation. The feed conversion rates are holding steady at 1.8.
That's excellent. Let's maintain the current ventilation schedule based on this flock's respiratory scores.
Maintaining the sealed edges is crucial for biosecurity. The bait station logs confirm our prevention protocols are effective. Data confirms the protocol was followed. Check the seal.
Seal is intact, ready for transport.
The health logs indicate full compliance for this week.
Yes, we've maintained all protocols as required.
We need to adjust these feeders for the final growth phase.
Okay, updating the control system now. The finisher feed flow looks steady.
Looks like the withdrawal timing is on schedule.
Yes, the feeders are clear and the birds are accessing water.
Vitals look strong here, good feather coverage and active movement.
Confirmed. No signs of lameness or illness in this section either.
With the equipment staged, the crew moves in. The goal is a smooth transition, minimizing stress as the birds are prepared for transport.
Make sure the ventilation gaps are aligned on this row.
Got it. Stacking the next one now. All right, team, let's keep this flow organized. Ensure the temperature logs are ready for the USDA inspection.
Are the intake forms complete for this shipment?
Yes, everything is logged and compliant with the guidelines.
number 45B complies with all safety protocols. Applying the stamp now.
Here, the carcasses enter the automated washing cabinets. High-pressure water removes any remaining residue.
Bring that in slowly to bay 4. Yeah, the reefer unit is running, and we need the next load staged by the door.
The journey from farm to consumer relies on an unbroken cold chain, ensuring the poultry remains fresh until it reaches the shelves.